Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Genshin Impact network error 4201 on PC. This issue usually happens because of DNS or network settings, and we can fix it in just a few steps. First, click on the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click it, and select Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and open its properties. Here, make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close all windows. Next, open the search bar again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. After rebooting, launch Genshin Impact. The network error 4201 should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.